All right, so now we're in front of the Corterra 3.0 and it has some really cool features that we're going to show you. Got a pretty decent pass through. It's a little bit smaller. We're talking about 35 feet long, just under that. It is dry about 10,430 pounds, and it says gross vehicle weight rating is 12.5. So let's go on in. So this has been staged by Sorted and Styled here in the area, and they did a fantastic job with staging, but let's see some of the great features. So it really is a nice couples coach. You have, again, the table that comes out so you can seat more than 4. You're going to have your recliners. This is going to be your fold out bed here. You've got cabinets above. They're not real deep, but they, look at that. I mean, they're deep enough. Go all the way to there. So the arts and crafts and the dog stuff, they did a really nice job designing this. So right here in the kitchen, you have a place for your garbage can, but I also like this because look, there's another drawer. So cool. And I've never seen this before. I like that. They did a nice job staging. So this is one of the new air fryer type ovens, and honestly, it is large. You could cook a large bird in there for sure. Yeah. Absolutely. You've got some decent space underneath the sink as well. And again, you have drawers there. Nice pantry. I love how they've organized this. And having the bar here. So you got your coffee bar, you got a place for wine glasses, alcohol. Done a lot of nice organization.
Good job at building up the storage. You got the hidden compartment right behind you.
Let's go over here.
I'll actually
All right, moving into the bedroom.
It's very similar to the last bedroom. It's the exact same actually.
It really is.
So, but we do like it with the front window. And you have the washer dryer space. This does not have the vessel sink. It's got a regular sink in it.
So the sliding door.
Mm-hmm.
So come in here.
All right. So instead of the vessel sink, but the countertops are nice and high. You've got storage underneath there, and you've got your drawers. This is just a mirror. Yeah, that's what I thought.
Yeah.
So, got your fan, and you've got a skylight as well. And this is going to be your washer dryer hookups again.
Yeah.
So right in there. I do like that, but that's right here. There's something else I want to show you in the kitchen though.
Yes. But there's more.
But there's more. There's some more. Okay, so one
All right.
thing we need to show you in this area.
It's gonna blow
It's
you
a
away.
nice surprise. You ready? I do like this. I
Pull
can hang
hard.
stockings.
Pull hard. Look at
How cool is this? I love what
Check
they've
that
done
out.
here. They've created another liquor spot there. And then they've added your calendar and
organizing
right.
things.
And look at this. This is
It's
great.
incredible.
This is
Yeah.
fantastic. This whole wall.
Look at that. That's the back side of your fireplace.
Fireplace.
And the back side of your TV has all your
Yep.
stuff.
I
I'm
love
assuming
this.
all the wires somehow go through down through here, or one. I don't know. I don't know how they did
Right
that
there. It's right here.
for the TV though. I don't know how they did the TV.
I don't know.
I guess
It's magic.
It's magic.
It's magic.
It's pretty wild though.
It's pretty wild.
It's hooked on magnetically.
Yes.
It's 3 magnets.
Yep, 1, 2, and 3. And let me tell you, this is one of my favorite features I've seen so far.
Yeah.
In anything.
That is crazy. Amount
And
of
it's
storage.
pretty.
Oh, and it has an actual lock up here.
Yes.
So, you can
So when
lock
you're
it.
traveling.
I like that.
But it's really, and the TV does come out. But I like how this is here, because it's nice.
You can put a sound bar on there. That's kind of nice.
Sound bar. I'm thinking like Christmas time stockings,
Oh,
greenery.
well, whatever.
We have different. Obviously, we have different priorities. I'm actually really impressed. Again, no floor vents. You've got the pails in the ceiling with the dimmable lights.
Right.
That I love.
And who makes this?
This is again Heartland RV Corterra. It's their new line.
their new
so
line.
Absolutely. And this is the 3.0 CT 3.0.
I think it's worth taking a look at if you're on
Absolutely.
a budget and you want a really nice rig. I think the price point is really good for these.
It is. It's definitely really good.
The windows all seem pretty nice. I mean, they got your
Pull-down
typical
shades, what we
shades.
have now.
Your shades that pull down like that.
You don't have the typical balances. You have wood balances, which I do like here. Over here in the back, you do have the typical balances, though.
That's right. Oh yeah.
But
Okay.
they're simple.
Yeah.
They're simple.
All right. Worth taking a look at.
All right, so if you like the video you saw today,
It's a thumbs up.
give us a thumbs up, yes, and please subscribe to the channel. So we do videos like lifestyle videos and repair videos and review videos we're going to be doing, and for products and different things like that. So
And actually, for that,
we have
a new website.
a new website called romersrvgear.com. Please check out that website. You can go on there. I do articles. Sometimes I'll have a video in there too that we did in the article, and there'll be clickable links that you can actually buy the products from the people
we bought from.
that we bought from. It actually helps us out. It doesn't cost you any more money. Matter of fact, you save money sometimes by clicking on those links. And yeah, that would be really great if you could check that out for us.
And the last thing is click the bell to get notifications. So when we have more videos that come out, you'll get notified.
Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the road.
You're funny.
Good.